I definitely have a problem. I need some help. Let's see if this fixes that problem. Okay, we're back with another unboxing and first impressions, and this time, as you can see, it's a Swatch Sistem51 Mechanical Revolution Hodinkee Edition. Let's see if this is actually any decent. Now, quick wristwatch check. I am wearing the tuner. That would have probably been my last video, unboxing and first impressions. And let's see what this swatch is all about. So this was released in 2019 for their Christmas collection, and it was obviously specific to Hodinkee. The Sistem51 is their movement, which has 51 components, mostly machine made to provide an automatic movement. So let's take these stickers off. Now, I didn't buy this from Hodinkee. I bought it off a friend who had bought it off Hodinkee, and I paid pretty much what he paid for it retail, so I didn't pay a premium. And there's the movement. That is actually pretty cool looking. So I've had a few of these Sistem51s. This isn't my first. I've had probably, God, I don't know, 5 or 6 different colours and styles. I've always enjoyed them, I just never clicked with them. So let's see if I do with this one. So this one is nicknamed or called Generation 1986 because it's based on sort of a 1986 design of a quartz swatch. I believe that was the case. Again, this is just an unboxing and first impressions. I'll go into a lot more detail in the full review if I don't end up selling it by then. So hopefully I click with it and give you guys a full proper review. But the cases are made of plastic resin. The movement, as I said, is the Sistem51, which has 51 components, which are machine made and put together by robots. So pretty cool, really. The only main issue with these is you cannot enter the case. So if that movement starts playing up or dies, you're pretty much stuffed. There's not an awful lot you can do. So you just hope you get a decent one out of the bag. So let's start with dimensions, I guess. So you've got a 42mm wide case, you have a 13.9mm thick, and you have a height of 50.6. So in terms of its height, it's right on the brink of what I feel comfortable with a 6 3/4 inch wrist, which is 50mm. Now, this being all black and all sort of plastic, it might wear a bit different. From what I remember, they definitely do. To wind, you wind it the wrong way as opposed to the normal way. No idea why. It's got normal features of changing the time and the date. It doesn't hack, and you can see what Hodinkee went with here. You've got a sort of plain black dial, again very basic. You've got red triangle and 3 and 9 with a vibrant red second hand. Straight baton style hands with luminous material in them. Not too sure how good the loom is, we'll test that out in the full review. You have just normal loom dots for the indices. Again, it's a very vintage aesthetic that they've gone in with here, with a very modern case and style with the all black. So let's see how this looks on the wrist. Okay, here it is on my 6 3/4 inch wrist. What I've always found weird about these is the way the case flanks and then the strap comes off the case. It's never really that smooth. It's a bit like a crease, if that makes sense. So that's no different here. You've got that same sort of, it just flares out a bit to go around the wrist, which gives it quite a strange side profile where the strap goes down and out. But it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. It's definitely on the brink of what I'd wear lengthwise, but I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. We'll see how I get on with this. As I said, I've had 5 Sistem51s now. I've enjoyed them all. I mean, they're great for what you get. I've just never really clicked with one. So let's see if I do with this. As I said, it looks pretty cool. I look forward to hearing what you guys think. Let me know if you own a Sistem51 and which one you own. And hopefully see you shortly in a couple of weeks with the full review. So make sure you subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.